Welcome to Livehealer. Today we are talking about 11 fish types that diabetics can eat to help decrease blood sugar levels. Fish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are especially beneficial for people managing diabetes. Whether you're looking to stabilize your blood sugar or improve your overall health, incorporating the right types of fish into your diet can make a huge difference. Before we dive into the details, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our health and wellness tips. Let's get started. Why fish is good for diabetics? Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and selenium. Unlike carbohydrates, which can cause blood sugar spikes, fish provides steady energy without raising glucose levels. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Now let's dive into the 11 types of fish that are particularly beneficial for diabetics. 1. Salmon. Salmon is a superstar when it comes to diabetes-friendly fish. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are crucial for heart health. These healthy fats can reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. Salmon is also a great source of high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar by slowing the digestion of carbohydrates. How to enjoy it? Grill salmon with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs. Add it to a salad with leafy greens, avocado, and olive oil. Bake it with garlic and dill for a simple, healthy meal. 2. Mackerel. Mackerel is another oily fish packed with omega-3 fatty acids. It's also high in protein, which helps you feel full longer and prevents blood sugar spikes. Mackerel's omega-3 content can improve your lipid profile, which is particularly important for diabetics who are at a higher risk of heart disease. How to enjoy it? Grill mackerel with a side of roasted vegetables. Prepare it in a tangy mustard and lemon marinade. Include it in soups or stews for added flavor and nutrition. 3. Sardines. Sardines are small but mighty. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both of which play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Sardines are also a good source of calcium, which supports overall health. How to enjoy it? Add canned sardines to whole grain crackers for a quick snack. Toss them into a Mediterranean-style salad with olives and tomatoes. Grill fresh sardines and drizzle with olive oil and garlic. 4. Tuna. Tuna is a low-carb, high-protein option that's easy to incorporate into your diet. While it's not as rich in omega-3s as salmon or mackerel, it still provides a good dose of these healthy fats. Tuna's lean protein content helps stabilize blood sugar levels. How to enjoy it? Make a tuna salad with Greek yogurt, celery, and herbs. Use fresh tuna steaks for grilling or searing. Add canned tuna to whole-grain pasta dishes. 5. Trout. Rainbow trout is not only delicious, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants like selenium. Selenium helps reduce oxidative stress, which can improve overall metabolic health. The combination of protein and healthy fats in trout makes it a great choice for diabetics. How to enjoy it? Bake trout with fresh herbs and lemon slices. Grill it and serve with a side of quinoa and steamed vegetables. Add smoked trout to salads or wraps. 6. Halibut. Halibut is a lean fish with high protein content and low fat, making it ideal for managing diabetes. It's also rich in B vitamins, which play a role in energy production and overall metabolism. How to enjoy it? Pan-sear halibut with a crust of almond flour and spices. Bake it with a medley of non-starchy vegetables. Add it to soups or chowders for a hearty meal. 7. Cod. Cod is a versatile, low-calorie fish that's high in protein and selenium. Its mild flavor makes it a favorite for many dishes. Cod provides steady energy without causing blood sugar spikes, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. How to enjoy it? Bake cod with a sprinkle of paprika and olive oil. Use it in fish tacos with whole grain tortillas and fresh salsa. Add it to a tomato-based stew for a comforting dish. 8. Herring. Herring is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both of which support insulin sensitivity. This fish is also a good source of protein, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full. How to enjoy it? Pickled herring makes a great appetizer or snack. Grill it and serve with a side of roasted potatoes. Use it in a Scandinavian-style salad with dill and mustard. 9. Flounder. Flounder is a lean fish with a mild flavor, making it a great option for those who prefer less fishy tastes. It's high in protein and low in fat, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. How to enjoy it? Pan-fry flounder in olive oil with a squeeze of lemon. Bake it with a crust of whole grain breadcrumbs and herbs. Serve it alongside steamed asparagus or green beans. 10. Anchovies. Don't let their small size fool you. Anchovies are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and essential nutrients. They're also low in carbs, making them a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. How to enjoy it? Add anchovies to Caesar salad for a savory kick. Use them as a topping for whole grain pizza. Blend them into a dressing or dip for added flavor. 11th. Tilapia. Tilapia is a lean fish that's easy to cook and widely available. While it's not as rich in omega-3s as some other fish, its high protein content and low fat make it a good option for managing blood sugar levels. How to enjoy it? Bake tilapia with a mixture of spices and olive oil. Grill it and serve with a side of brown rice and vegetables. Use it in tacos or wraps with fresh veggies and salsa. Tips for including fish in your diet. To maximize the benefits of these fish, it's important to focus on healthy preparation methods. Avoid deep frying, as it adds unnecessary fats and calories. Instead, opt for grilling, baking, steaming, or broiling. Pair your fish with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, or bell peppers, and consider adding healthy fats like olive oil or avocado for a balanced meal. Conclusion: incorporating these 11 types of fish into your diet can help diabetics manage their blood sugar levels effectively while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular physical activity is key to managing diabetes and maintaining overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Livehealer. Let us know in the comments which fish is your favorite and how you like to prepare it. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.